Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I think that any drink tastes better when you drink it out of a beautiful glass. So I want to show you these gorgeous wine glasses from JBHO. This is a set of 4 lead-free hand-blown wine glasses. They are 17-ounce capacity. And let me tell you, they are stunning. I absolutely love the look of these wine glasses. I love the shape. I love everything about them. So they do come as well with a polishing cloth, which is a really nice touch because it does help to remove fingerprints or anything like that from when you clean them. They are nice and lightweight. While being lightweight and sort of delicate feeling, they have a really sturdy bottom and they can go into the dishwasher. So you know they're gonna be able to stand up to regular use. I like that there's a very smooth edge so you don't feel like there's a lip there that is causing you to like dribble out the wine. They're just very easy to drink out of, and I also appreciate that this shape is very conducive for red wine. It has a wider bottom, it has the ability to easily swirl the wine, and then the top allows you to really capture any aroma because of the shapes. Excellent for red wine or really any other beverage that you want to put in these. It is going to only enhance the drinking experience, whatever you're having. So if you are looking for a set of gorgeous wine glasses to enhance your next dinner party, for everyday use, for a nice glass of wine in the evening, or for an awesome gift, I would definitely recommend these from JBHO. They are absolutely stunning, and that is my point of view.